Modern longevity science is currently obsessed with cellular fuel. We are told to boost NAD+ and NMN specifically to keep our mitochondria running at peak capacity. While generating this energy is a requirement for health, researchers are identifying a second, equally critical half of the biological equation that is often overlooked. Every hour, environmental toxins and metabolic byproducts collide with your genetic material, leaving behind a constant trail of damaged DNA strands. Pumping more energy into a cell with a compromised genetic code creates a biological paradox. It is effectively forcing a broken engine to run at higher speeds, which only serves to accelerate its degradation. To manage this, the body relies on a specialized protein called Sirtuin 6, or Sirt6, which acts as a guardian for our genome. This chart shows how Sirt6 activity levels decline as we age. As this specific protein fades, the cell loses its primary internal resource for maintaining genetic stability. For years, the supplement industry lacked a proven method to reactivate this protein, meaning that even as people boosted their energy, their cellular repair capacity continued to dwindle. Reclaiming cellular health requires a shift in focus, moving from merely fueling the cell to restoring its ability to protect its own sequence. Think of Sirt6 as a master mechanic for three operations. The first handles genomic stability, physically bridging broken DNA strands. The second manages metabolic efficiency, regulating glucose and fats to prevent excess lipids. Finally, it modulates inflammation by suppressing stress pathways linked to aging. The precision of these three systems determines how well a cell maintains its integrity over the course of decades. Researchers recently identified compounds within a rare seaweed species called Fucus vesicularis that appear to stimulate Sirt6 expression naturally. However, laboratory analysis shows that while generic seaweed extracts are common, most of them fail to actually trigger this protein in a meaningful way. DoNotAge.org operates as a health research organization rather than a standard brand, using in-house testing to isolate only the bioactive molecules that produce a biological response. This resulted in the world's only verified Sirт6 Activator, a 99.8% pure formula used in studies by experts like Professor Vera Gorbunova. Measurable biological impact requires these isolated, high-purity compounds rather than unverified extracts. Activating this protein helps stabilize telomeres and supports long-term cognitive health, restoring the cellular resilience that naturally fades over time. By combining Sirt6 activation with NMN and resveratrol, you address both the energy needs of the cell and its ongoing structural requirements. These capsules are 100% vegan and subject to third-party analysis for every batch to ensure they are free from synthetic fillers. Longevity science treats the body as a high-performance system. You provide the fuel to run it and the tools to keep the components intact. Living longer only holds value when those years are spent in peak physical health. We cannot stop the calendar from turning, but we can now influence the precision with which our cells handle the aging process. Visit the link in the description to review the research and start your longevity protocol with DoNotAge today. Use the code BB10 at checkout to receive 10% off your entire order.